we're sitting here waiting at a train stop. 10 o'clock at night, waiting for the train to go by. But you know what we'll do while we're waiting? You guessed it. How about let's do a mail call? The first one is coming by way of Royal Mail, and the sender's name is Martin Murray, coming from Dockenfield. So, okay, this is ALCHEMOTO, y'all. This is ALCHEMOTO Motovlogs. You should all know him. I see him all the time in the live chats. He sent me that sticker, his channel sticker. Then he sent me one that says it's NW, so I'm assuming Northwest Sportster Sickness, Shake the Lakes 22. Really cool. I like that. And then he sent me one called the Highland Fling 2021. Again, Sportster Sickness. Bear with me. Let's see.
A few moments later.
ALCHEMOTO is writing me, or sending these to me from Dukenfeld, UK. It's just east outside of Manchester. So, thank you very much for sending these to me, ALCHEMOTO. I appreciate it. That's a nice long way, and if I haven't sent them to you yet, then I definitely owe you, and I will get them out to you. Next one is coming from Tracy Williams out of Grove City, Ohio. And those of you that don't know Tracy Williams, this is TSW Garage. Really nice sticker. Very colorful. I didn't know there were mountains out in Ohio. Just kidding. Grove City, Ohio. Thank you, TSW Garage. Appreciate that. The next one is from Phillzillaa. Coming from Catharping, Virginia, I think. I think that's how it's spelled. Catharping, Virginia. Anyway, Phillzillaa. Phillzillaa. If you don't know this gentleman, I've always liked this sticker because he puts a dinosaur, he puts a Godzilla on a motorcycle. Can you imagine Godzilla on a motorcycle tramping through or trashing through a downtown Asian city? Thank you, Phillzillaa. I appreciate it. Thank you for the stickers. The next one is coming from in Coleman in Columbus, Ontario, I think. And this is RoadWorrierMoto. A very nice lass. Check her out. Go check out her channel. She sent me that one, and she also sent me a hologram of it as well. RoadWorrierMoto, and there is a reason it is spelled that way. It is not a typo. I've asked. Toby, thanks for the sticker. It's going on the sticker cooler. Stop by the shop if you're ever in Central Ohio. So I was mistaken. It is Columbus, Ohio. Thanks, Nicole. Thank you so much. I look forward to doing that, and I will take a rain check on that. I will make that happen. Next time I'm up there, I will ride by and say hello. Thank you very much, Nicole. Y'all again, RoadWorrierMoto. And the last one for today, for this episode, is from Angry Boomer out of Goshen, New York. And y'all, this is, I can honestly say I've never gotten mail like this. It's in a DVD case, and it says, "Dear Toby, hope you enjoy my sticker. LOL. DVD contents, always family friendly, and a surprise. Then pin it to your wall after watching. Your friend Angry Boomer." DVD. So we will be doing that. I will do that. And here it is. One of these. All right, y'all. That's it for this one, this particular episode, this mail call. I have more coming. Keep an eye out for them. If you'd like a sticker from me, by all means, hit me up. I'm on all the platforms. Otherwise, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you all.